Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot complete the archive extraction wizard. Okay, let's get into it guys. To solve this problem, I recommend you to download an application called WinRAR. Okay, you can go to your browser and then you can search for WinRAR application and you can visit the website and you can get this application on your computer. Just click on download WinRAR and the WinRAR will be downloaded. Okay, and after you have downloaded the WinRAR, you can go to your file explorer, go to download and install the WinRAR application. And as you can see guys, I have downloaded and installed this application on my computer. And after we install this application, we'll be able to solve the can't complete the archive extraction wizard, because this problem happened because there is no application like this on our computer. So to solve this problem is using this application. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix cannot complete the archive extraction wizard. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.